Hey, what's up everybody? Captain Gage here reporting to you from Huntington Harbor, where I fish 7 days a week for SandCityCharter.com. Check it out. Last week I told you it was about to turn on. Well, guess what? It turned on here on the North Shore. Fishing is lights out. Everybody's seeing the pictures of the bass and the videos of the bass that we're posting, so everybody wants to get out on the bass, and we are super grateful. Come on, jump on board. We'll get out there and put you on some bass, no doubt. Friday, 8-hour charter. It's non-stop action all day long. Same thing over the weekend. There were 4-hour charters, but we got on them all day, had a blast. And then Monday, me and Corey said, my first mate, we're going to get out there and check out and prospect some of our fluke spots. So we throw the cast net. We catch some tiny little peanut bunker. We catch 4 and 5 inch spearing, real fat ones. We get out to the fluke spot, and in 10-15 minutes, the next thing you know, bunker are jumping out of the water. We can't resist. We get over there, we throw some top water action. Corey hooks up with a 47-inch bass, 42 to 45 pounds. This thing was a behemoth, and he got it on a St. Croix rod, real light tackle. You see in the video he's getting spooled. And then Tuesday, the same thing. We shoot back out to the same spot. Me and Kenny got out there, and before you know it, I throw a spook the third time, and I'm hooked up. It bent one of the hooks on this spook, and brought in a 44-inch bass, my personal best so far for the year, that came over the rails. A ton of fun. If you guys are looking to get out there, the weak fish bite is real good right now. The fluke bite's real good. Non-stop striped bass action. So the North Shore is on fire. You guys want to get out there and catch some fish, let us know. Sand City Charter. We'll get you out there and put you on some fish. Wishing everybody bent rods, tight lines, and I'll see you out on the water. Back to you, Matt.